Hello! Today I am going to show you my kitty cat ephemera. And what had happened was last night I was working on my journal and I was using some cat stuff. And I started thinking, I have so much cat ephemera. Why don't I stop and film the cat ephemera tomorrow? Today is tomorrow. It's time to see the cat ephemera. I love, love, love kitty cat stuff. Always have. When I was little and I would babysit on Fridays, my parents would go to the strip mall where they would go grocery shopping. And in the strip mall down a few stores by was a Hallmark store. And I would take my babysitting money from the week before and I would purchase these porcelain kitties. I would save some money and use it on other things, but one thing that I loved doing was buying sets of these. I have so many of these. I should really do a video on them. Let me know. Let me know if you'd like to see a video. They are so cute, and I would collect them. They came in threes, so they usually had like a mama cat and two baby cats or kittens, and I still have them today. I keep this set near my computer, and I have a box of them. So I will probably show you all of them in another video. I think that would be fun. They are so cute. Put the kitties here. Okay, I have this box that I got from Tuesday Morning, and it was $6.49. And I thought, oh, I'll put all my cat ephemera in here. And so I have quite a few little pieces that we'll go through this box in a minute. And then I got these envelopes, which I love. But first I want to go through some of these things. This is a kitty cat book that I got called Captain Kitty, where I can use some of these images. I do not know, let's see, it does not have a date on when this was, but it still looks pretty old. And they have some super cute kitty cat images. Look. So I will have fun using these one day. The other ephemera I have is one with a bunch of cat stuff. And in here, I'll just take a few out. That one's so cute. Love this one. Let me just find a few more of these. So this was a nice cat bundle. I need to start cutting out pictures. We don't do magazines like we used to. I don't know many people who do. They're so expensive because I guess they don't make them that much anymore. But you can find all kinds of cat ephemera, of course, on Etsy, and people do digitals. Okay, so that is this little bundle. And now let me talk to you about these. These are homemade envelopes. I cannot remember who I ordered them from, but I love them. I absolutely love them. And look at this little girl. And then inside, I guess it's the other page of the book she took these from. This one has the story. And they have a strip here to seal it. So these are adorable. Absolutely love these. And now for my kitty cat goodie box. Let's see what is inside. Here is something I ordered once and they put kitty cats all over it. This is a matchbox that somebody decorated. Betsy the kitty cat, a little kitty cat doll with her clothes. This came from Epcot in China. So these are little cat cards with pouches that I assume they use at the New Year for money or gifts or birthdays. Here is some cloth I got from Hobby Lobby. Little kitty cats all over it. I'm sure I could make use of that one day. This is actually a card from our cat's veterinarian reminding us that our kitty cats needed their shots. So I thought that was pretty neat. This is a set of cards I got from Vicky Scott Illustrator. Here's her info. So I got these from Etsy. Oh, and her card has a little kitty cat on it. So I love her illustrations. Look. That one. That's so pretty. These are a group of index cards from the library, but all of them have to do with cats. So you can do some journaling on those. The talking cat. Chester the cat is convinced that Bunakula, the vegetarian vampire rabbit, is headed toward town with an army of vampire vegetables. Okay, that is a read for sure. So these are pretty cool. Nice journaling cards. Here are some postcards. And here is a flashcard. And there we have it. A little kitty cat collection of ephemera. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope those who love cats can sometimes show their cat videos because I love cats. Anyways, thank you so much. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.